to perform side lying shoulder hinges. From a side lying position, you're going to drive your outside arm into the ground to bring your rib cage up off the ground, and then from here you're going to think about rotisserie or rotating just through that shoulder joint. This move is a lot harder than it looks. From the other angle, I drive my elbow or my outside arm into the ground to rotate my trunk open. So I'm using the backside of that shoulder and really roasting those rotator cuffs.